Hello, and welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast Learning. Today, we're going to learn about another Elliott wave structure that is triple three. Triple three is a sideways combination of three corrective patterns in Elliott wave theory. Here are some guidelines of a triple three structure. 1. A combination of three corrective structures labeled as WXYXZ. 2. Wave W, wave Y, and wave Z subdivision can be zigzag, flat, double three of smaller degree, or triple three of smaller degree. 3. Wave X can be any corrective structure. 4. WXYZ is an 11 swing structure. The Fibonacci ratio relationship for triple three structure is as follows. 1. Wave X will ideally retrace anywhere from 50%, 61.8%, 76.4%, or 85.4% of wave W. 2. Wave Y cannot pass 161.8% of wave W, or it can turn into wave 3 of an incomplete impulse. 3. The wave Z target area to finish the triple three correction will be a Fibonacci extension 61.8%, 100%, or 123.6% of the wave W. If you would like to learn more about Elliott wave patterns, sequence of swings, and how to trade them in real time, feel free to subscribe to our 14-day trial.